Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be going over Robinhood buying power explained. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to just go ahead and get started with Robinhood and you see this term called buying power. What exactly is buying power on Robinhood? Now if you haven't signed up for Robinhood just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up, and once you sign up you'll get $5 worth of free stock. So with Robinhood, let's go ahead and open up our app. This is what your homepage will look like on Robinhood. And for my screen, you'll see that I have a buying power of $95.67. But if we click on buying power, this is actually going to be the amount of money that you can use to purchase individual ETFs, stocks, or options. So taken from Robinhood themselves, buying power is the amount of money that you can use to purchase stocks, ETF, or options through Robinhood Financial and cryptocurrencies through Robinhood Crypto. So it's essentially, buying power. It means what it means. It's basically cash that you can use to make all these purchases on Robinhood. So with that, you can also increase your buying power by depositing money into your brokerage account or closing on positions. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I can go and explain what Robinhood buying power is. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.